By using these artificial intelligence tools, you can definitely reduce the time taken. For there are duplicate profiles coming in, for example, where you have to do the initial screening. You have the resume reader, wherein based on the key words, it would identify whether a profile matches or not. You don't even need to get into a call and understand, talk to the potential candidate. By reading the profile, the artificial intelligence tools can determine whether this is a fit or not. That's an
Gotcha.
example.
Okay, so we talked about the future. Let's go back to the here and now.
Yeah,
What do you target particular market segments, or is it more about targeting countries where you're seeking to set up this GCC capability for clients that are based in certain countries, or with, like you mentioned, banking before, manufacturing? Which would you say takes more of a priority in your role?
I would say Inspiredge particularly, we provide end-to-end solutions from a GCC perspective. Okay, we've recently concluded a unified communications for a client. We established their global capability center. It was a build, operate, and transfer. We call it as BOT model of GCCs. We built a global innovation capability center where we have recruited, onboarded, and streamlined the operations and transferred the group of close to 350 engineers across different tiers, which are niche skills. Some of them have Avaya background with OEM. We call it as original equipment manufacturer, right? Avaya, Cisco, Microsoft, and we have some project managers, Salesforce. Across these OEMs, we know domains, we have built and successfully transitioned that project. So, with that said, we do not target any specific industry or a country per se. Wherever there is a need, we are here in India to facilitate for someone who wants to start their GCCs but they really don't know how to go about it. We can help them.
Gotcha. Okay. And let's switch, and Ram, let's get into, we promised at the beginning of this podcast, we'd talk a little bit about best practices as
Yes,
well as some strategies. So
correct.
let's talk about key factors, strategies, and best practices. Maybe we should start with regulatory compliance.